What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, I'm a little bit busy, forgot my camera, got a lot going on, so we're doing this on the iPhone. The whole video is not on the iPhone though, just the intro. But anyway, guys, this is a basic bald fade side part tutorial. This is a longtime client of mine. He popped back in, he hasn't had a haircut in forever. So enjoy this transformation. Let's get right to it. All right, jumping right in, we're gonna get his hair sectioned out of the way, get it ready for the hard part. You guys see we're just gonna use our comb lines to find the right line, and then we will separate that hair. That'll give us a nice clean line for our hard part. I'm gonna come in with my Skeleton FX and put that line in. If you guys didn't see, I just raffled these trimmers off. I may do another raffle here soon, and the winner will get to pick the colors of their custom FX. So let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. But anyway, we put it in with our FX. Now we added some 245 shave gel. I'm gonna come in with my razor and make that line nice and sharp without making it too thick. I know you guys can't see it real well. Since then, I have raised my camera up. You guys got some dope content coming. I promise it's about to get better. My angle's better, and I've gotten better with the lens. But anyways, we're gonna go in with our number 2 closed right here. You can see I'm holding that length so that it doesn't push out of the clipper. We're gonna cut the whole side down to a 2 before we come in and do our bald fade. All right, now we'll start out with our bald guideline. I'm gonna follow the same shape as the hair at the top and the shape of his head. We're just gonna come right up over the ear, drop it a little bit in the back. We'll go ahead and bald all that out with our slim lines, and then we'll come in with our shaver underneath that and get it all the way down to skin. If you guys haven't seen the video, I did get the new Gamma wireless Prodigy, the wireless charging shaver. I do have a review on that, so definitely go check that video out. But this is kind of an old video. I filmed it a little while ago, so didn't have that in this video. But definitely liking that shaver. The wireless charging is off the hook. Definitely enjoying that. So we're gonna go in next with our open clipper. The lever is all the way open. We're gonna go about 3/4 of an inch. And this is a Wahl Cordless Senior with the Andis blade with the Philthy mod. If you guys don't know what that is, I'll throw the video link up above. We're gonna make our guideline about 3/4 of an inch, then we'll come in immediately and bump that line up with our slim lines because we punched it in with our slim lines. After that, we'll come in with the clipper closed at the bottom of the section, and the next line will come out with the clipper halfway open. Once we get that established, we'll just use the lever and go after any dark spots that are left. So we'll start with it open. We can close it up a little bit. We're just trying to get this spot all nice and smooth. We don't want to leave any dark spots. This section, we're just going to work with our lever and make sure it's nice and smooth before we move up. After that, we'll do a 1 guard all the way open. You can see it was a 2 closed above that, so we're not going to leave much of a line here. And I believe, if I remember right, I'm going to go ahead and come right in with the 1.5 and connect it to the 2, as you guys can see. Now we'll come back with our 1 closed and we'll start to work this line out. So we're going to go about 2/3 of the way up into this section, and then we'll take that line out most of the way. But you guys can see we're still going to have a little bit of a dark area between the 2, and that's what the half guard's for. So now we'll come in with the half guard. It is halfway open. I always start with it halfway open. If it doesn't get it all the way out, we can close it up and we'll take the rest of this line out. Then it's just lever play on this side until we're happy with the side, and we'll move on to the other side. Now we're back to the open clipper. So again, guys, you just work your way down, polish out anything you have left before we move on. Now we're going to edge up this front corner. We're not going to give him a full hairline all the way across, but the hairs in the corner right there we want to get nice and sharp. So we'll take that across the front, and then we'll edge up his vertical bar and give him a nice little C-cup. It's pretty bald down there, but we are going to give him a nice little bit of a C-cup just to kind of polish this up all the way. Now we're going to go in on this side, and we're going to start off same steps as the other side, going with our number 2 and clear all the bulk, and then we'll come in and do our fade steps underneath. And something I've been thinking about lately, guys, if you want to chime in, I usually don't include the back of the head. I do one side and then I time lapse the other side. I've had some people ask lately about the back of the head and why I don't show it. And really, guys, it's the same steps. So sometimes for time purposes, I don't want to include the whole haircut. I don't know that you guys want to watch a 15-20 minute haircut. So I will leave the back out sometimes. And I think I took it out of this. But some of you guys want to see the back of the head, so leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see the back of the head rather than the other side of the head, if you'd like to see it all. And maybe I can work on, including it in the time lapse. And guys, like I said, I did get a new wall mount for my camera. I've been messing with my camera settings, so I definitely have some crazy content coming for you guys. Got a lot of dope videos coming. I've actually been so excited about the ones I have coming out. I wanted to skip ahead and go ahead and post them. But you guys stay tuned. I got lots of dope content coming, some really cool haircuts, some really good quality, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So if you're not subscribed, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Guys, I drop 3 videos a week, plenty of content for you. If you're a beginner and you're looking to learn, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn that bell notification on so you guys get notified every time I drop a video. Like I said, I got lots of good stuff coming. I also have a new segment coming that you guys will see soon, but I'm not going to tell you too much about it. But anyway, we're going to go in and do a little bit of clipper over comb. We're just going to clean up that connection to the top. And of course, when we go cut the top, we will cut that down with shears and it will blend the rest of that in. So everything that lays on that side we're wanting to clean up before we go in and cut the top. All right, I'm gonna saturate the top with water. This will be an unbalanced haircut. Of course, all the hair over here on the side part side is not gonna lay if it was to be combed the other way. But we're gonna start by taking all the hair over to the corner where it's all gonna lay when it's styled. So I'm just gonna take that corner off. You can see I'm just coming vertically up from the side of the head. We're gonna take that corner off and then we'll use that as our guide and carry that over to the other side of the head. So now I'll bring that section up and use the guide from what we just cut to tell me how much to cut off the rest of the top of the head. We'll just continue to take that section over and make it all match. And a lot of times I get comments on this type of haircut about cutting it square or cutting it a little bit rounded. And you guys leave a comment if you feel me on this, but I noticed when I cut it square that the hair right beside the hard part will leave a line when you comb it all over to the side. So I like to take that a little bit rounded to his head just so it doesn't leave such a heavy line when it's combed over. I just noticed that after doing this haircut so many times. But anyway, guys, we'll go through one more time. Make sure we don't have anything hanging out over the top. Throw some product in it and get it styled up. If you guys use a pretty strong hold pomade, you'll want to lift it up in the front, and you can actually use your fingers, as you're going to see here in a second, to fold it over and kind of create that shape in the front. Alright guys, there's the before. You can see basically a super grown out mohawk. You can see the back's a little bit longer. And like I said, he's a long time client. Pop back in, we got him cleaned up. There's the finished cut. I hope you guys like it. This is a basic bald fade side part. If you guys like this, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit that thumbs up. Like I said, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time.